finishing stroke for the leg. So after we have finished this work through the thigh, then we're just going to go ahead and do some nice, slow integrating strokes all the way to the tip of the toes. Come back up, come around. We're going to start to slow down and lighten our pressure all the way off. Last time through. Up, around, and down. Nice and slow. Cup through the foot and hold so that the person knows you're done. And then we're going to come up and replace the sheet. Go ahead and pull out to the knee, come under, and make sure you pull this across and cover up the leg.